guys! Alam nyo ba na pwede kayong makakuha ng free memes from Memes Philippines? Just follow the steps in this tutorial to know how. First step is click the search icon. Type nyo lang yung memes and find the Memes Philippines. Hanapin nyo lang tong post na to and i-open nyo. Click nyo lang yung see more tapos lalabas na dyan yung Google Forms link. Kapag nag-load na, ilagay nyo lang yung email address nyo. Click nyo lang ulit tong link kung hindi kayo doktor. Mariredirect na tayo sa form and all you have to do is fill it up with your details. So as you scroll down, you can see some disclaimers about availability ng books, shipping and delivery, then yung consent form. Click lang natin yung I agree. Ang next na natin na i-fill up is yung personal information. So ilagay lang natin yung full name natin. Sample lang nitong PharmaDocs. Then yung profession nyo, kung dentist, medical technologist, nurse, pharmacist, physician kayo. If wala sa pagpipilian, dun kayo sa others, specify nyo lang. So, ang next natin ay yung profession or medical course. In my case, I'm a pharmacist. So, sa mobile number, lagay nyo lang yung complete mobile number nyo. Double check nyo na lang din kung tama. Then, sa mailing address, make sure lang po na complete. House number, street name, barangay, city, and province. This is to make sure na ma-deliver sa right location yung book. So, yung ating last requirement will be yung ID license for verification purposes. Upload lang natin dito yung picture ng PRC ID natin. Yan, after a day or two, you'll receive a message from Sir Chris. Yung text message contains information gaya ng kung anong issue yung available for you. So, yung sa akin, ang marireceive ko daw ay yung December 2024 issue. Ngayon po, if binasa niyo yung shipping and delivery kanina sa Google Forms, tayo po ang mag-shoulder ng shipping fee. If you're from Manila, 250 pesos po ang fee. So, sa other parts na Luzon, ang fee is 335 and sa Vismin naman is 355. Nasa text message din yung GCash number ni Sir Chris, but you can also send via other platforms. Check nyo na lang sa text message. So, ayun lang naman. After ng payment, sisend lang natin yung reference number sa kanya para ma-verify niya na paid ka na. And tada! Na-receive ko na yung sa akin and nagulat ako kasi meron isang free. So, that ends our video tutorial for today. I hope nakatulong sa inyo and sana makakuha kayo. Thank you, Memes Philippines! Bye!